A very good morning, dear friends. Once again, I welcome you all in the channel Zero to Infinity channel. This is the journey with Praful Davi. Dear friends, it is the episode number 27. This will be under the concept series for the world, and part 2. It is the second episode in the concept series. In this particular episode, we will discuss about the similarities, dissimilarities, and what should be our focus for the human. Let us see what is there in the episode. Dear friends, this is our legal disclaimer. Kindly read it once if you haven't read it. Thank you very much, dear friends, for your kind affection and the suggestions. Hope you have read the legal disclaimer and enjoyed the episodes and the playlist on the Corona or the COVID-19 series, and also working on its free of cost, yet very powerful, very beautiful, and the very simple techniques, logical techniques for your own benefit. Dear friends, welcome in the concept series, welcome in the new world. In this particular episode, we will discuss about the similarities and the dissimilarities of the human. Why I am again and again stressing on the word human body. Dear friends, first we will discuss about the similarities. After that we will discuss about the dissimilarities. The similarities are created by the nature or the cosmos or the creator of this world. We all are the human being. We are all the humans with the same functioning bodies, same one mind, same one heart, two eyes, two ears, two legs, etc. etc. These are the things which are given by the nature, cosmos, or the creator. We all have almost same lifespan of the 70 to 80 years nowadays. Earlier it was very much higher, like the Greek gods were able to live for the 300 or 400 years. All have the almost same lifespan of the 70 to 80 years nowadays. Earlier, some of the humans were able to live for the 300 or 200 years old, like the Greek god or the Greek goddess were living near about hundreds or 200 years ago. And if you will read the Bible, then the ancient our ancient people will also live greater than the 100 years. In the Jewish or the Old Testament also you can see it. But nowadays the lifespan is nearly 70 to 80 years for us, for our generation. Although the body is designed for the at least 100 years for nowadays. If the lifestyle is very good, habits are very good, food habits are very good, this means perfect age of the 100 year can be achieved by our body. And if it will be not, this means if the habits are not good, if the food habits are not good, or the lifestyle we are creating some problem for ourselves, this means the rest of peace will be sunk by the person slightly early. And I think that you do not want it, you want to be live more. And these are once again the similarities as per the nature or cosmos or the creator. All have almost same type of the suffering related to the body, related to the mind, related to the heart, and related to the society, etc. Dear friends, whether you are from the Africa or the Asia or from the Australia, the body related problem will be almost same. The same cancer is there, same AIDS is there, same corona is there. If you have the problem in the mind, whatever is the country of yours will be there, the same psychological problem will be there, same mental disorder will be there, same type of the tension will be there with you. The heart related problems, same type of the emotions will be there. This means if you have the same human existence, same human system, this means almost same time of the suffering will be there related to the body, mind, heart, and the society, etc. There will be no change at all. And all are following on the same natural rule or the same natural functions. If I have take the liquor, if I will drink more, if I will take the drugs, I will face same result due to it. If you are from the Russia and if you are taking the drugs like the crocodile drugs or something else like the LSD, hashish, you will be face same kind of the problem. If you are from the India, you are taking the drugs or something heroin, something anything which is negative for our body, you will face same kind of the result will be there. And similarly, if we will take more food, we will get fat, etc. This means if I will take more kind of the burger, more junk food, then suddenly the same fatness will be there, whether you are from the Africa, whether you are from the Australia, or whether you are from the India or USA. That's why nature or the cosmos or the creator is not differentiating all the humans. Same oxygen, same water, etc. All the people are sharing same planet Earth, same oxygen, same water, etc. This means for the functioning of our body, we will take some kind of the food, some kind of the water, some kind of the drinks. It is very much same around the world. There will not will be the changes at all. If you are from South America, you are also taking the oxygen and leaving the carbon dioxide, and the science has proven it. And dear friends, all the human bodies, all the human persons are following same body language, same sign language, and similar expression in the similar situations across the globe. If you will be angry, whether you are from the Africa or from the UK or from the France, the same angriness will be there. If you are in the love, the same kind of the emotions will be there. Similarly, the sign language is also very much same. That's why body language is popular worldwide. It may be possible that you are not able to understand my language or the pronunciation, but whatever is the written, you are able to understand. Whatever the photos are there, you are able to understand. Whatever the body language is there, you are able to understand, my dear friends. And these were the similarities which were created by the cosmos, by the universe, by the creator. Now we will see the dissimilarities created by the humans. Believe me friends, the similarities are created by the nature, but the dissimilarities are created by the humans, by our human brain. There are many kind of the religion in the world and the many sects in the same religion. There are Hinduism, Judaism, Jewish, Muslim, Sikhism. Many of the world religions are there, and we will discuss afterwards that spirituality is only one. We have discussed it in our previous episode also. There may be the tens or the hundreds of the religions maybe there in the world, but spirituality is very same, very one. And if the religion is same, the sect may be different. Like one Muslim is there, but there are the Sunni Muslim, there are the Shia Muslim, there is all the Christians are there, but there are some kind of the Catholic, some are the Protestant, some are of the Orthodox. And dear friend, I am from the Hindu religion, that's why. But I am very much follower of the all. I have believed in all the religions and especially in the spirituality. And after the going through the spirituality, I have learned that all the religions are saying the same thing, and if we are following it for our benefit, then certainly we are able to enrich our life. We are able to uplift our life. Dear friends, there are the many languages in the world. Many of the countries are there which are made solely depend on the language only. The same religion are there, but due to language only, they have created a new nation. That's why the language is also very much important for our human. Dear friends, there are many states and the many nations in the world. You can see the world map. The globe is only one. just like the spirituality. But there are more than 7 continents are there, more than 180 or 190 countries are there, and if there is one country, then there are many of the states are there. And these are the dissimilarities created by the humans. Dear friends, there are many thought schools and the ism, like capitalism, socialism, communism, etc. etc. If the religion is same, if language is same, but still it is possible that some of the rich person will follow the capitalism and some of the person will do the follow the socialism. This means this particular dissimilarities is also created by the humans and for the humans in terms of the Abraham Lincoln. Dear friends, there are the different genders are there in the world. Some may be the male, some may be the female, and it may be possible that due to some natural injustice, some of the persons may not be the fully male or not fully the female. But they are the humans, they have the human body. That's why as we are taking care of the male and the female, we have to take care of that existence, that human existence also. And if there is the same gender is there, but still there may be some kind of the different orientations. Like in the developed countries, we are seeing the LGBT movement, or this means the male is loving the male or the female is loving the female. That's why there may be the different genders are there, or if the gender are same, there may be some kind of the different orientations will be there. Dear friends, in some of the countries like the India also, and I don't know in the other world countries, but many castes in the same country or the same religion. Some may be the Brahman, some may be the Kshatriya, some may be the businessman, Vaishya, and some may be the service class person. In the nutshell, 4 kinds of the people may be there as per the ancient Hindu religion or the Varnashram. There are the 4 types of the persons. Priest type person. In any of the religion, there may be some priest type of the persons may be there. Soldier or the military type person, who are very powerful in the body, in the mind, and are ready to fight. Some of the businessman type of the persons may be there, whose whole existence is centered for the money only. How to gain the money, how to preserve money, how to spend money. Money and money. Because these kind of the persons may be limited to the money only, money field only, money dimension only. And many of the persons are like the service class type person are there, who are serving all the persons, all the like businessmen, like the military or the priest type person service. Although it is not possible that this system of the Hinduism is applicable to whole of the world. And dear friends, some kind of the problems are there in some of the nations. It is not possible that the language related problem is there in the whole of the world. No. Some of the nations are struggling with the religion. Some of the nations are struggling with the racism. Some of the nations are struggling with the language problem. But in a nutshell, we are discussing about the dissimilarities which are created by the human for the human. And these are the differences on the race. Like ancient civilizations are, there are many different races in the world, and this is the dissimilarities created by the human. But as you are able to see that one spirituality is there and many religions are there, there is one human breed is there, one human existence is there, and there are many of the differentialities are there. You are able to see in the GIF picture of the prism. There are differentiations based on the color. Like some of the persons are white, pure white, some of the pure black, very black. Some of the persons are yellowish in the nature, like the China persons. There are differentiations based on the color, and lot many people have struggled to remove it from the mankind. Like the Nelson Mandela, we are saluting him for his contribution for the humanity. The difference is based on the economical level. It may be possible religion is same, it may be possible language is same, but there may be some kind of the differences on the economical ground, like upper class, rich persons, and the lower class. And yes, there is a very lot of differences there in between the rich and poor peoples. It is in our mind. And dear friends, if all are same, religion is same, language is same, race is same, everything which we have discussed in our previous slides, everything is same, then individual ego may be there. And it is 100 that individual ego does exist, which create the ultimate differences, as all the persons feel himself like the superior and others as the inferior. And this is very wrong, and we have to remove it from our human existence. The ego should be lesser and lesser. The more egoistic person is there, then he is thinking that yes, I am the center of the universe, I am the center of the world, and whole of the world is revolving around me. And this is very much detrimental, not good for our human existence. And it is ego is one by the knowledge. More the knowledge, lesser the ego. Lesser the knowledge, more will be the ego. And dear friends, as we have shown here, egoistic person is there. It means he is the center of the world, center of the. He is thinking that he is the center of the wheel, and whole of the world is around him. But we are the part of the system, part of the natural system, part of the ecological systems. That's why we are just equal to our siblings, like animals, mother nature, etc. We have to do the cooperation with the nature. And dear friends, we have discussed the disabilities created by the humans, and what is the result? The result in the negativity, in the hate, and at last the bloody wars, which can give the death to the millions and the billions of the persons. We can easily see the World War I and the World War II statistics that billions of the persons got die due to these bloody wars. And we have to think that how to bring the peace on the humanity. And dear friends, now this is the right time to do the thinking by all of the humans, and this is a very big question, very eternal question is in front of us. And this question we have to have asked with ourselves, with our own self, not from someone else. I am not authorized to ask from the other. I have to ask from myself what we have got from all these bloody wars. Millions of the persons got died, millions of the persons got sick, like in the Vietnam and the USA war. Still the people are born with the disease, and that is the curse for the whole of the humanity. So dear friends, we can see here that this is the effect of the Hiroshima and the Nagasaki bomb, and still the generation are getting born with the defective limbs. And we can see how beautiful child is there. This is a Syrian child, and due to the some militant attack, the Syrian boy pictured bloodied after air strike in the Aleppo, Syria. This is the condition of the war. The beauty turns into the ugliness. So dear friends, now it is the time to discuss the concept number 1. The concept number 1 is focus on anything, it will activate. Repeating, focus on anything, it will activate. Remove the focus from anything and it will lose its power. Dear friends, kindly read it once. Focus on anything, it will activate. Remove the focus from anything, it will lose its power. Now, how we can apply it we have to do the detailing now. The application of the above concept on the emotional ground, focus on the differences. The differences of the humanity will increase. If you will be able to focus on the differences of the humanity, like the differences of the religion, differences of the languages, the differences of the humanity will get increased. The focus on the similarities of the human will increase, the harmony, bliss and the peace will get increased in the humanity. This means we are taking the same oxygen, we are living on the same planet Earth, we are drinking the water. If we will focus on the similarities, then the similarities in the whole mankind will be increased. The third application is remove the focus from the differences. The differences of the humanity will decrease. This means if I will remove the focus from the differences, like the religion differences or the language differences, racial differences, if I will not bother about that differences, then the harmony in the humanity will get increased. And if we will remove the focus from the similarities of the human will decrease. And that's why, dear friends, now it is the time to choose in between the negative and the positive powers. Deity power or the devil's power, or the God power or the satanic power. So dear friends, if you are from the God side, if you are from the white energy side, if you are from the positive energy side, if you are with the deity, then certainly you will focus on the similarities, you will remove the focus from the differences. And dear friends, in the nutshell, as we know, 1 plus 1 is equal to 11 and the 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 111. So dear friends, this is the time to think that if 1 plus 1 is equal to 11, then what will happen if the 7 billion humans are in the same synchronization? You are able to just think that if the 7 billion humans of our generation are in the same synchronization, it will be lead to energy rise, time utilization, no time wastage will be there in the war, and the energy rise and the time utilization for ourselves, for society, for nation and for humanity at large. We can shake complete world and able to do the miracles for the society, for self, for humanity, for our nations. And this is the time in which we need to believe in the miracles, and this is the time in which we want the miracles, because we have detriment the complete earth in so badly that many of the environment related problems are there, and we are doing nothing other than just talking and talking. Now it is the time, this is the time in which we should believe in the miracles, and we have to have increase our energy, increase our harmony, so that we can contribute in the humanity our the best. And dear friends, even only the 100 enlightened, motivated persons can bring the Eden garden on the earth. I am not asking about the lakhs or billions of the people. If the 100 enlightened, motivated persons are there, we can bring the Eden garden on the earth. we can bring the humanity at very high level and in the next race of the humanity. That may be the probable seventh race. Now it is the spiritual science to make 100 enlightened, motivated person. If you are not knowing the concept, there is no problem at all. I am here to you to discuss it in very simple manner, very lucid manner with you. And dear friends, you may be one of them. Kindly do not leave it for your neighbor or someone else. You may be the under 100, and we are asking only 100 persons out of the 700 billion persons. If all are doing good, very good. But 100 dedicated person can do lot of the things in this particular world and planet Earth, for the planet Earth. And dear friends, as the 1 plus 1 equal to 11, the similarly 1 minus 1 equal to 0. And we can say 1 minus 1 minus 1 equal to minus 1. This means if the differences which we have read in the last slides, differences increase will be there, energy wastage will be there, time wastage of the self, time wastage of the society, time wastage of the nations, time wastage of the humanity at large. And dear brothers and sisters, we are at the time in which any time the third world war may be rupture. Before the rupture dream which we have read in the Bible or Prakash Vakya, I mean in the Christianity rupture related rupture dreams are there. Before it, third world war may be there. If our politician, if our big personalities of the mankind will try for the war. And dear friends, whatever is the reason, war cannot bring peace at all. We have to try for the peace. We do not have to fight war for the peace. And what is the energy? We will talk in the energy episodes also, and we have discussed in the COVID series also. The energy means body electricity or the chi energy of the China. And in a nutshell, the choice to follow deity or positive energy or white energy or the God energy, all are the very same. Deity energy is equal to positive energy is equal to white energy is equal to God energy, versus demon energy is equal to negative energy is equal to black energy is equal to satanic energy. Now it is the time to decide by you individual that whether you are from the God side or from the satanic side, whether you are with Christ or with Antichrist, whether you are with black energy or with white energy, whether you are with positivity or with negativity. Choice is very individual, dear friends. That's why whatever I am talking, this is first individual, then it will be for the family, then it will be for the society, then it will be for the nation at large. Now it is your choice whether you want to go in the heaven or the hell. It will be completely of your choice. And dear friends, these are the spiritual science concepts in very nutshell, in the very lucid manner. This is to bring the Eden Garden on this very our planet Earth, to create the harmony on the earth, to create the harmony in the humanity. Dear friends, knowing is very good, but doing is always better. And the concept series episode for the world will be continued. At last, the positive powers or the godly powers will win in the Armageddon in between the positive and the negative powers. Dear friends, I want to stress one thing. The Armageddon will not be in between the nations or in between the religions. The Armageddon will be in between the positive energies, godly energies, and the satanic energy or the negative energy. Whatever is the region, it will be not in between the Jewish or Christianity, or Jewish or Muslim religion, or in between the Iran or the Israel. It is the satanic plan to uh, bring the hurdles among the religions, among the nations. But spirituality is very same, very one, and religions are different. Our goal is to be with the positive powers, and the Armageddon, true Armageddon, will be in between the positive powers and the negative powers, not in between the nations, in between the religions. It is the satanic plan of Satan or the Antichrist. At last, the world will be peaceful and the will develop like the Eden Garden if we will try our the best to bring the harmony in between the humans. The Eden Garden of the people, by the people, and for the people. Dear friends, let's go together. This time the Titanic will not sink in the Atlantic. We will touch the land just like the Noah. Dear friends, if there are any kind of questions, doubts, feedback, suggestions or critics are there, that can be sent at the dabi.praful@gmail.com. You can also use the comment section of this particular video. You may be the Homer Simpson from the Chicago, or you may be the Dr. Princess Jasmine from the Jerusalem. You may be anything. I am always open to you. Dear friends, thank you very much for the watching. Happy times and good day, dear friends. I, Praful Dabi, go to you.